highs. But trading strategies then, and for that, let's go across to Naveen Mathur, who joins us now on the show. Naveen, hi, welcome. What's your sense now coming in for the precious metal space? The kind of decline that we have seen, would you call it a correction? Are you buying, or is there further decline?
Good morning, Manisha. I think it's a correction for a long-term perspective. We are seeing in India the prices hovering around now 31,000, and international markets too have come down from $1360, $1370 levels to right now at around 1330 levels. I think there are still uncertain scenarios ahead. Yes, there has been a political change in the UK. The new Prime Minister has come in. So that political uncertainty is over. But I think there's a long way to go, and the markets would not be taking up that in a right perspective unless we don't see the positive outcome of the EU getting out of, the UK coming out of the EU. 2 years would be volatile from here because of the Article 50. So I think with that uncertainty in a long term, the gold may look bullish, but as of now, we'll go along with the trend to sell the gold on the MCX August contract at around 31,100 levels, stop loss at around 31,300, and targets on the downside in a range of around 3850 to 30,800 level. The same goes for silver too, Manisha. Sell silver at September at around 47,700 levels or 800 levels. Target at 47,100 and stop loss at 48,200 levels.
Naveen, how are you looking at the metal space? Most of them are up nearly 25 to 45% from their January lows. Would you say that the gains here have been done, or are you looking at more gains?
I think, Manisha, it's early to say that the gain has been done with it. But I'm not too bearish also, not too bullish, not too bearish. Largely dependent on the GDP data numbers from the China, plus kind of certainty on the political front in the UK. I think that has given flip to the base metal pack on the upside, and therefore we are seeing the prices at a little higher level than what we have seen after the Brexit referendum. So overall trend still continues to be positive, at least for the intraday. We would recommend copper August contract on the MCX to be bought in at around 331, 332 levels, stop loss at 328, and targets at around 336, 37 levels.
Okay. All right, Manisha, as well as Naveen, thanks very much for joining in and taking us through all of those strategies in the commodity space. We'll take a break now.